Yeah, for Valentine.
Ano nangyari dyan?
Ma'am, you want the flower?
No, thanks. That is so cheap.
No, no.
Mommy, it's not that count.
Yeah, it's a
Thought
tatak
sounds-
out.
It's always the thought. I don't like the thought. I want material things. I am no longer. I am materialistic now. Okay.
Material girl.
I'm a material girl now. I don't like anything thoughts. Because I am having thoughts for a long time.
Mommy's a material girl.
I'm a material girl now.
But you don't also. Mommy, are you really a material girl?
Look.
Material
I am a
baba.
material baba.
Mommy, you really a material